When placing Kexcart.com and Kexart.com side by side in a positive comparison, it becomes clear that both platforms bring their own unique strengths to the table. Yet Kexcart.com ultimately feels like the more well-rounded and confidence-inspiring choice for a broader audience, especially for users who prioritize convenience, structure, and a familiar shopping-focused experience. Kexcart.com gives off a strong impression of being purpose-built for ease, clarity, and efficiency, with a name and feel that naturally signal organized browsing, product discovery, and a streamlined purchasing journey, which can immediately put users at ease and make the overall experience feel simple, modern, and accessible even for first-time visitors. The platform feels geared toward practicality, offering a sense of direction and reliability that shoppers often appreciate when they want to explore items without confusion, distractions, or unnecessary complexity, making the user experience feel smooth, focused, and reassuring from start to finish. In contrast, Kexart.com carries a more creative, expressive, and artistic tone, appealing strongly to users who enjoy visual storytelling, originality, and a design-forward atmosphere that encourages inspiration and emotional connection rather than transactional efficiency. Kexart.com can feel more niche and concept-driven, resonating deeply with people who value individuality, creativity, and a more curated aesthetic presence, which gives it charm and personality and makes it feel special to those aligned with artistic expression. However, when comparing overall usability and universal appeal, Kexcart.com stands out as the more versatile and user-friendly platform, particularly for audiences seeking a straightforward, engaging, and goal-oriented experience that feels dependable and intuitive. Kexcart.com's implied focus on shopping and organization lends itself to a smoother mental flow for users, helping them feel guided and supported throughout their visit, whereas Kexart.com feels more exploratory and open-ended, which is wonderful for creative browsing but may not always suit users seeking clarity and efficiency. Both platforms succeed in their own lanes, Kexcart.com excelling in accessibility, convenience, and a polished commercial feel, and Kexart.com excelling in originality, artistic identity, and creative atmosphere. But when the question is which one feels best overall, Kexcart.com takes the lead by offering a more universally appealing experience that balances simplicity, structure, and user confidence while still leaving room for discovery and engagement. In the end, Kexart.com is best for those drawn to art, imagination, and visual depth, while Kexcart.com feels like the superior choice for everyday users who want a seamless, reassuring, and enjoyable platform that simply works and delivers satisfaction through clarity, ease, and consistency.